So you need to keep that toy for a day before you chewed it up. Or ripped it, I'm sorry. Before you rip the toy apart.
Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope you guys are doing great and that you're taking care of yourselves. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, it would be awesome for you to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell right beside it so you won't miss out on any of my uploads. Here on my channel, I do cleaning motivational videos, organization, as well as DIYs. I love bringing my styles to life by DIYing it. On Sundays, I always take the entire day to prep for the upcoming week. So in this video, I'm going to be doing some cleaning, washing, organizing, and getting my kids ready for the school week since they've started school. If you like this video, let me know by leaving me a comment down below. I love reading you guys' comments and also clicking on that like button. Not only does this help out my videos, but also my channel. Now let's get to the video. We all know that laundry is a never-ending cycle, and for this day I had 4 to 5 loads that I had to wash. So this was the first thing that I tackled. I'm just going to sort through the clothes, separate them, and get them ready to be washed. To remove any stain from our clothing, I love using Awesome. Awesome works on any and everything. I usually spray these stains that day, but I let a few clothes get past me. Now I have to work the Awesome in by scratching these stains with my fingertips. This just helps remove the stain even more. Therefore, when I wash the item, these stains should come directly out of the fabric without me having to wash the clothing multiple times. With washing darker loads, I love using clear laundry detergent. I've noticed no stains on my shirts when I do this, as well as adding fabric softener. This helps remove any remaining odor that's been sitting on the clothes. We started with the first task. Even though it's not completed, I'll go ahead and move on to the second task, and that's getting my kids ready for the upcoming school week. During this process, I allow them to choose what outfits they want to wear for that week. I just stand by and ref and let them know if the outfit is a yes or a no. I'm also going through their room to make sure I gathered all of their dirty clothes. Sometimes they love putting their clothes back in the dresser that needs to be washed or under their beds or whatnot. So I'm just double and triple checking to make sure I've gathered all of the dirty laundry. The outfits has been chosen for the week. All I have to do is iron each piece. Before ironing the shirts, I have to, especially if they have a design or a logo on the front of it, I have to turn the shirts inside out and iron both sides, the inside and the outside. Do you guys do this as well? Comment down below. Do you turn your shirts inside out and iron both sides? Or if it has a design on the front of it. Do you just iron around the design? I have to know. After pressing out each clothing, I then hang their outfits on these coat hangers in their room. This allows them to see the outfits they've chosen for the week, and they're able to choose on their own which outfit they want to wear for that day. This is such a time saver in the mornings when they're getting ready for school. If you have younger kids that are able to dress themselves, you should definitely consider doing this, especially during the school year. In order for me to really prep for the upcoming week, I have to clean something. That's one less thing I have to worry about for that week, and that takes me to my third task, and that's cleaning the restrooms, the bathrooms upstairs. I always start in the kids' restroom before going to our restroom. It's the smallest but usually the messiest, and I'm using Lysol with bleach, and I'm wiping down everything in their bathrooms, the drawers, light switches, as well as the doorknobs and the doors. Everything is getting clean. So both of my kids have a basket in their room, and this houses their mask. In the mornings, they can just pick one up out of the basket and take it with them to school. This also helps me keep count on how many masks that they have. This is round 2 of me folding a load and also ironing clothes. This time around, I'm ironing my husband's work clothes. His clothes was part of the second load. I always put away each load of clothes that I folded, therefore it doesn't roll over to the next day. This just helps me start that Monday off fresh and stressless. I do midweek cleaning on Wednesdays, and this might include doing a few loads of laundry, cleaning the bedrooms, bathrooms, whatever I think needs a spot cleaning or just an overall cleaning. I'll do it on Wednesday. This does help relieve some of the cleaning on Sundays. Once I'm done upstairs, I'll then head downstairs and do a little bit of cleaning in the kitchen. I was running a tad bit behind on time. It was getting pretty late, so I wanted to do a little bit of cleaning before actually cooking dinner and doing my daughter's hair. Round 1 of tackling the kitchen is done. Now this leads to the next task, and that is doing my daughter's hair. This is the second longest task besides doing the laundry that takes up all of my Sundays, but it's worth it because I don't have to worry about doing it during the week, and her hairstyle usually lasts a week until that next Sunday. So I'm just going to take her hair down, comb her hair out, wash it, and then plait it right back up. I try to do my daughter's hair between 2 and 3 o'clock, but on this day, as I stated earlier, I was running behind on time. It was like 4 or 5 o'clock, so I had to really get through her hair. I try to do her hair during the day, therefore her hair can air dry and she's not going to bed with wet hair. Many hours later, I am done doing my daughter's hair. The kids have taken a bath, they're in the bed, and now I am doing round 2 in the kitchen. I'm washing the dishes that were left over after eating dinner. Once that's done, I'm going to pack my daughter's snack and get the kids' water bottles ready for the next day. I try to do all this the night before. Therefore, if we're running behind the next morning, I don't have to rush to do that. That's already taken care of. I'm just packing her a few snacks, fruits, chips, crackers, cheese, all that type of stuff that she likes to snack on. It's the next day, it's Monday morning, and I'm just getting home from dropping off the kids at school and picking up the groceries. I usually do my grocery shopping Saturday night. Therefore, I can pick it up on Sunday morning, but I guess I forgot all about the food, but I have it now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing what I do to prep for the upcoming week. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and my videos. It's been a year since I've been on YouTube. Yes, a year. Time has flown by so quickly. Thank you to my oldies but goodies, and also the new subscribers on my channel. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys, and I'm very thankful for you guys as well. For the newcomers that's on my channel, you guys make sure you click on that subscribe button and that notification bell. Don't forget to click on that like button. Leave me a comment down below. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.